What? Callie, hold on. I know I was late, but can we talk about this?
What's to talk about? I'm there for you, but you're not there for me. It seems pretty straightforward.
So what? I'm late to one event, and now I'm never there for you? Dramatic much?
It's not just today, Summer. This is an ongoing thing.
But Callie...
Look, I'm not mad. I just need some time to myself. I was so nervous to talk to Tanner Noah that I thought I needed you by my side. Because that kind of stuff comes easy to you. And when you didn't show, I had to do it on my own. And it was okay. I was okay. I think I need to be a little more independent.
But Callie, what am I supposed to do without you?
Summer, we're still sisters. It's not like I'm leaving town. We're just not gonna live together. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to finish up here.
Oh, Summer, I can't believe this is happening.
Hey, Summer, how did everything go with your sister?
Horribly. She's moving out. Everything is ruined. Why does this feel like the end?
Aw, Summer, it's not the end. Just give her some time. And before you know it, you two will be back together. Two peas in a pod, the dynamic duo, and every other sister best friend cliche.
I hope you're right.
I have to run, but let's catch up later, okay?
Okay. Bye, Damon. Hello?
Summer, there are like little green people everywhere.
What?
You need to come back to the house now. I know this is your fault, and the FBI is looking for you.
Oh no. Dargo.
What's a Dargo? Sounds like something from one of those sci-fi TV shows you be watching.
Well, remember when I was gone last summer?
Yes?
I kind of brought back a baby monster from another dimension. He might be an alien. I'm not really sure what he is, to tell you the truth.
This sounds too crazy. Now who brings home stray monster alien babies? Wait, Summer, that was almost a year ago. Has he been living in the sorority house this whole time?
Yes?
Summer, it's too late to get mad about that now. We have to grab Callie and get back to the house. Sweets, candy.
The file on these creatures didn't say anything about them being able to talk. I don't get paid enough for this.
Excuse me, FBI lady? I just called Summer, and she said she's on her way.
Great.
And I brought the little green people candy because they keep asking for it.
No, whatever you do, don't give them candy.
Candy. Ah! Here, stay back. Candy, mine.
Oh no, there's more of them now. They're multiplying. It's just what I feared. This is the start of an alien invasion.
Ah!
Why on earth are you screaming?
I don't know. I just wanted to add to the suspense. Let's get out of here. Did you hear that? Did somebody just scream?
Wait, when did y'all change? On the way over here.
What? You didn't?
I think that was Alex screaming.
Oh no, is your little alien baby monster dangerous? Because if he is, I am not going in there.
It's okay, Caroline. You can wait out here. I created this problem by bringing Dargo home, and I'm going to fix it.
Don't worry, Summer. I've got your back.
Just like old times, the dynamic duo is back. You know, we really do make a great team.
Yeah, we should probably go help Alex.
Right. Alex, hold on. We're coming. Will you stop throwing candy at them? You're making it worse.
But they keep coming near me. Candy. Shoo. Mine.
Oh my.
Where did all of these Dargos come from?
I have no idea.
They multiply when you give them sweets. Shoo.
Then stop throwing candy. That's what I've been trying to tell her.
Don't yell at me. This is all very traumatizing. Besides, I'm out of candy.
I've read about these creatures. If they continue to multiply, they will drain our planet of all its resources. It will be the end of the world as we know it.
Wow, Summer. An apocalypse?
Okay, everyone, just calm down. We just have to send all these little Dargos back to where they came from.
But Summer, we have to open a portal. How do we know which one? We don't want to repeat from last year.
Right. We need V Hunter. She has a better understanding of portals than we do.
But Summer, what about Damon?
I know. If I call V, she'll know we made it back from the other dimension. And she might go after Damon again. But I don't see a lot of choices here.
Hey everybody! I stopped at Mia's Munchables on the way home from the grocery store. I have sweets if anybody wants some. Sweets.
Oh no! Callie, stop them! We can't let them get out of the house.
Got it. One fireball coming up.
No! We don't want to solve one alien problem by showing them another.
Right.
This is out of control! We need help!
Of all the nights for this to happen, it would happen on the one day Candy is traveling door to door.
Oh, it is getting crazy in there! We have no choice. We have to call V. Jazz, I need you to contact V Hunter and tell her to come here now. It's an emergency.
Oh, no. We can't call V. She's too scary.
Look, it's either V or a monster apocalypse. Pick one.
V it is. Hello, V. This is Jazz. Long time no talk, huh? We kind of have a situation here. Stop that, you hear? Those little monsters are tearing up all the books. Which ones? I hope it's not my How to Care for Vampire Puppies book.
Jazz, focus.
Right. So, V, when do you think you could stop by? Yep, they're ripping the pages right out of your Vampire Puppies book. V, it's an emergency. Little green monsters are going to take over the world if you don't come right now. I hope she gets here soon.
You rang?
V, over here.
Summer. Well. I wasn't expecting to see you again.
Yeah, well, life is funny like that. I seem to have gotten myself into a little bit of trouble.
Now that's the understatement of the century. Looks like you've been doing a little interdimensional travel with an Argon pixie gremlin?
Wait, so you know what these creatures are?
Yes. They're harmless, really. Unless you give them sugar.
Thanks for the lesson in mythical creatures, but can you please do something about them?
Is there anyone important inside the house?
Everyone's outside.
Are you sure? Because I'm starting my spell.
Callie? Jazz? Caroline? Where's Sabrina?
She had to work at the coffee shop tonight.
Alex? Where's Alex?
She's in the house.
You have 30 seconds to get her out of there, or she will be lost.
Great.
Hurry, Summer.
Alex? What?
We have to go now.
But I can't leave my designer shoes. Those little green monsters are going to ruin them.
Will you forget about the shoes? And come on, we have to get out of here.
eBay on game!
My house.
Well, one monster problem solved. You're welcome. Perhaps I should stick around for a while again. This town seems to be infested with the supernatural.
This is too much for me. I'm out of here.
Auntie, wait!
Summer. If you're here, I'm sure that means Damon is here as well.
No. Only Callie and I came back.
Right.
Oh no. What have I done?
Great. Everything's gone.
Well, I guess we need to find a new place to stay. I think there are some 2-bedroom apartments on the east side of campus.
Summer, I'm still going to get my own place. I have not changed my mind.
But Callie, I thought we were good now. You said you had my back.
And I did. But I still want to be on my own. Sorry, Summer.
Callie.
And that's the last box.
I sure am glad I had a few things in Grandma's attic. And thanks for helping me move in.
I believe it's in the boyfriend job description. Right after holding your purse while you shop for shoes.
Well, in my case, it's while toy hunting.
My bad, you're right.
Aww, you see how cute we are?
I'm sorry I have to leave town for a while.
Don't be sorry. It's my fault. I brought back Dargo, and it was my idea to call V. And now you're on the run from a vampire hunter.
Don't worry. I'll be back as soon as I can. I better go.
Bye, Damon.
It's not bye. It's I'll see you later.
Here I am. Alone.
Sorry, Dargo, but I think we've had enough sweets for one day. Eat your green beans. They're good for your complexion.
I wonder who that could be. Well, hello, neighbor. Octavia? To be continued on the next Summer in Cali. All right, people. Who's ready to film episode 26? What do you think about the new studio?
It's nice.
Is it just me or is the lighting a little different?
I'll go check.
Oh, wow, look at you. Looking like a boss. Summer, I am your boss. But thanks for the compliment. It's much appreciated. Just trying to, work on my image a little. But if you just pushed your hair over a little to the side like this. Oh, are you seriously touching my hair? Yep, she's doing it. I'm just trying to get an obvious part with the grays. Yeah, I like it. Really? Yeah. With the black and white hair and that black and white outfit, you are giving off some strong Cruella vibes. Everyone's replaceable, Summer. Oh my goodness. What happened in here? Jazz, weren't you supposed to be watching the little Dargos?
I did watch them. I watched them make a mess.
Oh boy. Okay, we'll just write it into the script. And that's a wrap. Happy Halloween!